Alright then, so we've made a few different pages in this Next application now, but what about if a user tries to go to a URL that doesn't exist, for example /ABC? Well, they get this built-in 404 page right here. Now, it doesn't look great, but you can create your own 404 page and customize the content on that 404 page if you wish. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All we need to do is go to the pages right here, add a new file, and call this 404.js. Now, again, this is a specially named file, much like the index one right here. And this doesn't generate a URL, which is /404. Instead, what it does is create a component, which is a bit like a catch-all, so that if a URL doesn't exist and a user tries to go to it, then it's going to serve up this page component instead. So let me just cross off a few of these different files so we don't have them all at the top. And let's create this 404 component. So first of all, I'm going to create a stateless functional component, and I'm going to call this not found. Now you don't have to call it not found, you can call it something else if you wish. And then inside here, I'm going to create a simple template. So a div with a class of not found, and that's so we can style it in a few minutes. And then inside that, I'm going to do an h1, which says oops, ... And then below that, we'll do an h2 that says that page cannot be found. And then at the bottom, we'll add a paragraph tag just to link them back to the home page. And I'll say go back to and then this is going to be a link where it says homepage. Now, in order to create a link, remember, we need to import the link component. So import link from next/link like so, and then we'll create that link component down here. Inside that, we need an anchor tag. We get rid of the href and we add that to the link itself, and this is going to go to just /, which is the home page, and then inside the anchor tag we'll just say homepage like so. Alright then, pretty simple. So that should now be our 404 page. So what I'm going to do is come over here and refresh this now, and now we can see our custom 404 page. Now if we click on this, it's going to take us back to the home page. Now what I'm going to do is add a few styles to make that 404 page look a bit better, and I'm not going to create a module for this because it's only going to be 2 styles. I'm just going to place them inside this global CSS file right here. So let me paste those at the bottom like this. So we're styling not found, which is this div right here. And we're saying align the text to the center. And then the anchor tag inside that, we give that a color. And we say text decoration underline, so it looks a bit more like a link instead of this. So let me save that and preview. And that looks a bit better. So now whatever URL we go to, doesn't matter what it is, if it doesn't exist, then we're going to get this 404 page instead. And that's a bit better. And you can make it a little bit better if you wanted to. You could maybe add a list of different links on here or some better message, entirely up to you.